Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you about ECMA2015 in the object. What this method determines that is that object sealed or not. There is a property called sealed which will seal that. So now what we're gonna do is create a const object 1 equals and property 1 and 42. When we're done with that, log it on the console. Object dot is sealed object 1. When you do that, it's gonna say false because it's not. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal that object by dot seal method. Those who don't know, it's a function. I have a episode you can see the tutorial about that. What the oh, I forgot to pass. So object 1 true. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.